Hey guys, welcome to the first ever Bad Habit Exotics Cars and Coffee, I think it is. This place is filled with stuff. Like, I got cars wall to wall here. Everything from Subarus and RX-7s to Lamborghini Gallardos, Aventadors, Porsche GT3s. You got a Ferrari over here, and the sights are going to be crazy today. So you're going to check this out. This is going to be really cool. This is their first ever, so I'm wondering if this is the beginning of it. Things are only going to get crazier from here, so pay attention. Okay guys, that's lot one. So now I gotta head over to lot two where the overflow is. And that's gonna be a little bit crazier. That 300ZX is probably one of the cleanest examples I've ever seen. I love the 300ZX. People didn't realize how much that was a competitor for exotic cars back in the day. It's just a fast car, and it had some different problems that it had when it came to basically long-term wise. But if you fix them now, they're still good cars, and I can see the value going up, so it wouldn't shock me. Buddy, good to see you, man. Today's event is all the proceeds are going to Forever Young charity. So it's good to see that we have these events that are going to be going towards charity, and that's what they're focused on. It really does, in the time that we're in, just stress how important it is for our community to come together, and how when we really show our support for things, how awesome it is. So that's a good thing. Bad Habit Exotics hasn't been around that long, but so far they're building up a pretty good following so far. And from the show of this event and the things that they're doing, philanthropy is strong in the world, so that's good. And I can't wait to see some more stuff from them. monthly, so it'll be the first Sunday of every month. Check out their website for the locations, and thank you guys for tuning in. Don't forget to hit some of these other videos because we got a ton of stuff coming up in the near future. And as always, guys, don't forget to drive.